guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I wanted to challenge myself as well as some of you, and that's why I had created an open invitation and invited all of you to join me in decorating a Christmas tree on a budget. So this is a Christmas tree, a dollar store Christmas tree decor challenge. So what the rules were, if you're not familiar, were to decorate a new existing tree. It didn't have to be from the dollar store, but it could. But all the decorations except the lights were supposed to be from the dollar store. So I went shopping, and I already had a few items from the dollar store, and so I wanted to share how you can have an elegant Christmas tree on a very small budget. So join me. So this tree has approximately 700 lights on. Some of the things that I had picked up were the small 12-piece package from Dollar Tree of ornaments and 7-piece Dollar Tree ornament. I also picked up a few of these from Dollar Tree, as well as snowflakes, ribbons, some of these birds. I also have some of these. I think these came from Dollarama. I also picked up a skirt from Dollar Tree, some fake snow, and some of these white balls that came from Dollarama. Over here I have extra balls that I've had left over from previous year, but they're all from Dollarama, as well as a star that had come from Dollarama. This is the tree topper that had come from Dollarama. I also picked up these angel wings from Dollar Tree. I also have some floral picks from Dollar Tree, as well as these large ornaments. Start with my ribbons. And for this tree, instead of going in a zigzag form, I'm going to be going down with the ribbon. So this is a wired ribbon. So I start by tucking it in, bunching it up, and then tucking it in again. So once you have the ribbon the way, positioned the way you want it, you can start with large ornaments. That's what I'm going to be doing. And because I only have one of these, I think I'm going to make it like put it in a center. I'm going to start with my large balls, and I hang them, and then I just sit them. Now I'm gonna go with the angels, and I'm going to go with these white ones. Now I'm going to hang all these ornaments that are like just little stars and little reindeers, snowflakes, things like that. Now I'm gonna use the fillers just so that way I can tell where I'm gonna put the rest of the ornaments in. I have some of these picks. I'm going to put them just coming out. Now I'm gonna attach these birds. to attach these bowl ornaments. I'm gonna hang up these icicles, and you want to make sure that they hang, they don't sit on any of the branches. I think I'm getting close to the end, and now I'm going to add the fake snow. Actually, I still think I want to use a little bit of these, so I'm gonna put a few of these on. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the fake snow, and I just want it to look like it just landed on the branches. I think that looks really, really pretty. Now I'm gonna attach the star. So the tree is completed, and I couldn't be more pleased with it. I think it looks very elegant. I was hoping to achieve almost winterish, wonderlandish theme, and I think I have done it, even though looking at the camera it does look a bit more goldish, but I actually only use rose gold and champagne and white and silver. Those were kind of the colors that I have used. The tree skirt looks really, really nice with the tree. So thank you so much for joining. If you are doing the collab with me, thank you so much. If you guys are coming from the other channels, thank you so much for stopping by. Would love for you to subscribe. And everyone else, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, have a wonderful day.